thing I'm going to show you is how to make a contact sheet. But before we begin, what we need to do is organize our good copies. So I've created a folder here with all my good copies. And what you want to do is you need to put them in order that you'd like them to appear on your contact sheet. If you don't care, you can just skip this step and go right to the contact sheet. But if you want them to go in a particular order, you need to either alphabetize them or add numbers to them. So in this case, I'm pretending that I'm doing the photography alphabet project. So I'm going to label this A, and then say this one is my letter B, and then say this one is my letter C. And what's going to happen is they are now going to flow once I import them into alphabetical order. And I need to make sure that I don't delete that .jpeg, which I just deleted. Otherwise the file will corrupt. So make sure you're only changing the beginning part of the file. So I'm going along here and renaming them. Okay, so you can see I'm not quite done, but I'm just going to leave it for now. So I could either put them in alphabetical order, or again, I could number them depending on which sequence you want. Once you're good, you're going to go to Photoshop and go to File and go to Automate. Then you're going to go to Contact Sheet. So the document default should be fine, 8 by 10 at 300 pixels per inch. The second thing you want to do now is choose where those pictures are, and we're going to go to that good copy folder, and you can see here that I've got about 3/4 of them numbered, or lettered, sorry, and the rest aren't, but that's fine. I'm going to say there you go, so it knows which pictures it's going to pull from. Now the thing about the thumbnails, so it really depends on how many pictures you have. So I only have 15 pictures, so really what I should probably be doing is something like 4 by 4, because that's going to do is it's going to give me the biggest pictures for how many I actually have. If you're doing the alphabet project, you're going to have 26 pictures. So you're going to either do 4 by 7, but that gives you really, really small pictures here. So the other option that we have is 5 by 6. And those are a little bit bigger, I think. So that's what I'm going to go with. What I want to make sure that you have clicked off is this use file name as caption. If it's clicked on, you're going to get these little file names underneath every single picture, and it's going to look very messy. So we're going to click that off so that we're just going to focus on the imagery. And then you're going to press OK. It's going to take a couple minutes to generate the contact sheet for you, but obviously not as long as if you were to do it yourself. And then what we're going to do is just make sure that we save it. Because I'm not going to be marking your contact sheet, I just need you to save it as a JPEG. So all you need to go is File, Save As, and then just contact sheet, and this was just a sample. And then what you want to make sure that you change though is to the JPEG, and then you can save it there.